Welcome to the exciting world of hydroponic gardening. Today, we're diving into how to cultivate a garden favorite, broccoli, right in your own home. Growing this nutritious vegetable without soil offers incredible advantages for home gardeners. You'll discover how to achieve faster growth and enjoy higher yields. Imagine fresh, crisp broccoli available year-round, regardless of the outdoor weather. This guide will walk you through every step, making hydroponic broccoli a reality for you. Hydroponics uses significantly less water than traditional soil gardening. This method also eliminates common soil-borne pests and diseases, simplifying plant care. You gain the ability to grow fresh produce year-round, unaffected by seasonal changes. This means a consistent supply of healthy, homegrown broccoli is always within reach. It's a clean, efficient, and rewarding way to garden, perfect for urban spaces or anyone seeking gardening innovation. To begin your hydroponic broccoli journey, you'll need a few key items. A deep water culture, or DWC system, is an excellent choice for beginners. You'll also require rock wool cubes or net pots for starting your seeds. A suitable growing medium, like Hydroton clay pebbles, will provide support for your plants. Don't forget a high-quality hydroponic nutrient solution, specifically formulated for leafy greens and vegetables. The journey begins with germinating your broccoli seeds. Place 1 or 2 seeds into pre-soaked rock wool cubes. Ensure the cubes are thoroughly saturated, but not waterlogged. Keep the cubes in a warm, dark place, ideally around 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Misting them daily helps maintain consistent moisture. Germination typically occurs within 5 to 10 days. Once seedlings emerge, move them under a gentle light source. This prevents them from becoming leggy and encourages strong initial growth. For a DWC system, fill your reservoir with water. Ensure it's clean and free of contaminants. Place an air stone at the bottom of the reservoir, connected to an air pump. This provides essential oxygen to the roots, preventing root rot. Position your net pots, containing your young seedlings and growing medium, into the lid of the reservoir. The bottom of the net pots should just touch the water. Nutrient solution is the lifeblood of your hydroponic system. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for mixing your chosen hydroponic nutrients. It's crucial to use a formula balanced for the vegetative growth of broccoli. Monitor the pH level of your nutrient solution regularly. Broccoli thrives in a pH range of 6.0 to 6.8. Use pH up or pH down solutions to adjust as needed, ensuring optimal nutrient uptake. Also, track the electrical conductivity, or EC, of your solution. This measures the nutrient concentration. For broccoli, aim for an EC between 1.8 and 2.5. Adjust by adding more nutrients or diluting with water. Light is paramount for healthy broccoli growth. Your plants need at least 14 to 16 hours of intense light per day. High-quality LED grow lights are highly recommended for their efficiency and spectrum control. Position your lights at an appropriate distance from your plants to prevent burning. Adjust the light height as your broccoli plants grow taller. Consistent light exposure is key to developing large, healthy florets. Maintaining the right environment is crucial for success. Broccoli prefers cooler temperatures, ideally between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid extreme heat, which can cause bolting or bitterness. Good air circulation is also vital. Use a small fan to gently move air around your plants. This strengthens stems and helps prevent fungal issues. Aim for a relative humidity of 50 to 60%. Regular maintenance ensures a thriving hydroponic system. Check your water level daily and top off with fresh, pH-adjusted water. Replenish your entire nutrient solution every 1 to 2 weeks. This prevents nutrient imbalances and buildup of harmful salts. Inspect your plants regularly for any signs of pests or diseases. Early detection is key to effective treatment. Keep your reservoir and system clean to prevent algae growth. Algae competes with your plants for nutrients and can harbor pathogens. A clean system promotes robust growth. Broccoli is ready for harvest when the central head is firm and tightly packed. The individual florets should be small and green before they begin to yellow or flower. Use a sharp knife to cut the main head. Make your cut at an angle about 6 inches below the head. This encourages the plant to produce smaller side shoots, extending your harvest. Continue to provide nutrients and light to encourage these secondary harvests. If your broccoli leaves are yellowing, it could indicate a nutrient deficiency or incorrect pH. Check your nutrient solution and pH levels immediately. Stunted growth might point to insufficient light or low nutrient concentration. Root rot, often characterized by slimy brown roots, is usually due to a lack of oxygen or high water temperatures. Ensure your air pump is working efficiently and the water stays cool. Growing hydroponic broccoli at home is a rewarding experience. With the right setup, consistent care, and attention to detail, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown broccoli year-round. It's a sustainable and efficient way to garden.